All right, so I'm in a super rush this morning, but we got something going on with the Golf R. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start real quick. I gotta hurry up, get the parts inside of the car, and then I gotta dip. All right, so I actually have a really good ETA according to the GPS. That sun is harsh. That's that early morning bright, wake you up sun. Nevertheless, as you guys can see, we got the Unitronic with me. The Unitronic intercooler. I got the APR charge pipe and hose kit. Oh, it's about to go down.
Pretty well put together. So the more air you can get in, the more fuel you can get in, the more power you can make. Yeah, APR is really good quality.
All right, you guys, so we basically have the front mount intercooler on. The only thing is I need to go back to the place that emptied the Freon to get my recharge in the morning. And after that, I'm pretty much back to the moving and grooving. He did recommend that I don't go into full boost until I get that tune, considering the fact that when you put these larger intercoolers on, you're gonna get turbo lag and so forth or whatever. But nevertheless, I'm literally gonna pick up a laptop probably tomorrow, and we're gonna get that tune on there. We're getting straight to business. All right, YouTube, it's the next morning. Yeah, I'm a little on that tired mode. Man, yesterday was a lot of work, long hours. About to get you a cold start, and then we about to head up to get my AC system recharged because we had to, you know. She was very tame, I don't know. Anyways, let me move car so that I can get up out of here. She is dirty. I gotta get her washed. Man, it is bright out today, I'll tell you that much. Okay, so now we're gonna head back up to Ecotech. But we got AC, baby. We got AC again. Hold on. I'm just going to get my coolant checked really quick. You know she stay drinking. 48 hot dollars on 419 premium, baby. Major shout out to Unitronic. Ooh, this is it, baby. Time to log in. After you log in, it's gonna download the actual installer. All right, y'all, so it's noisy in the background, but whatever, we about to get to work. So I'm gonna hook up this trickle charger. That way the battery will stay in great condition while we do the ECU tune and transmission tune. So let's get into it. So let's plug this in. Please make sure the cable is connected. Try again. Okay, so it's updating the firmware. So now it's requesting that the cable is connected to the OBD port. So let's do that. All right, so now it's trying to detect the ECU right now. So I gotta confirm my VIN number. Oh, okay, so now it's reading the trouble codes. Let's see if we got any. They did clear codes before I left yesterday. I'm hoping that these go away after we do this, because I know we did a lot yesterday. And again, he told me after putting that intercooler to keep it calm on the throttle because it's gonna start running a bit lean. And then torque limitation due to fuel pressure. All right, so unfortunately, I gotta contact Unitronic, see if I can get this hopefully taken care of today. If not, then basically what I gotta do today is I gotta call Unitronic support so that the people who, you know, do the tuning can help me. My contact gave me the number.
Calling Unitronic.
All right, so I just finished with tech support at Unitronic. Super easy, by the way. Literally, we did it in like 7 minutes. So right now I'm flashing the ECU. So we did the TCU first. He was on with me, made sure that went through well. After you do the TCU tune, you want to start your car and make sure, you know, the park signal's on and all that. The car started up just fine. So now we're on the ECU, stage 1 plus, 93 octane. And it was very simple. Like, he was able to, he can see everything that you're doing. He can connect to this. You all set, boo-boo. Sent me on my way. So super easy. Their process is really streamlined and really smooth and effective. So I love that. We're at 100%. The car is, you know, doing all the little weird little robotic stuff. And then you're basically gonna do a butt dyno. How does it feel to you? So now I gotta switch the ignition on and then off again and then click next. So now switch ignition on and click next. Okay. So now it's finna check to see if the ECU is okay. The software is fire because I'm gonna be able to, you know, see any problematic codes and whatnot. That's very empowering to be able to do that on my own. I always keep a code reader. I've done that from years back just so I could, like, if there's codes, let me see what these codes are. Let me see if I can, you know, diagnose before going to the place or get the part already and things like that. You'll save yourself a lot of headaches. The ECU has been programmed successfully. Please switch the ignition off and click done. All right, ignition off. I'm gonna click done. And ladies and gentlemen, we are stage 1 plus on the MK8 Golf R. That's simple. Wow. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, let's do a, should I do a spirited start first? Nah, just regular. She booted up. That's a plus. It's a great sign. Woo! A time I've been waiting for a while, and that's tuning this car and enjoying more horsepower. Now granted, what it comes with stock is plenty and more than enough for probably most, but if you're a true enthusiast, you know, and you like pushing things and seeing what they can do, you're gonna enjoy this. So you hear her, she's revved up, she's working, and now it's time to see if she's working, if you know what I mean. So you guys are gonna get POV. I'm gonna put my hat on eventually when I get in the car, when I get to the position, so you guys get some POV shots. Y'all hear it? Intakes, I'm actually gonna be switching out my intake. I got an APR intake. All right, we got a pull coming, y'all.